Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tutorial. And in this video, I will show you how to simply customize your toolbar in Photoshop 2025. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on Edit tab. And the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and navigate to the toolbar right here. And this is going to pop up right here. Then you have all toolbar right here. Now, how can you simply customize your toolbar? So what you can do here, you can rearrange how you have these two right here. Like for instance, this my two move tool right here and artboard tool are in together. So I can decide to remove my artboard tool right here. So just drag it. I can decide to drag it and drop it right here. So here I have only my move tool from the top right here. So I can decide to rearrange my single column marquee tool. I can decide to put it right here. So you can see it has been rearranged. So we can easily scroll down right here. So my crop tool right here, I can decide to make my crop tools, drag it to the third section where my perspective tool be at the top. So everything depends on how you use some of these tools right here. Then this particular notes tool right here, I can decide to drag it to and add it to my frame tool right here. So just like so. So we can work on the red height tool right here. I can drag it to this particular under the eye dropper tool right here. So everything depends on how best you want to actually arrange your toolbar. So this is my adjustment brush tool right here. I can decide to drag it and add it to blur tool. So I have everything in a single color right here. You can scroll down and drag as much as possible to from different angles as the case may be. Once you are done, come to the top right there, go ahead and hit on done, and you are good to go. So if I open my Photoshop now and check on my tool, you'll find out that everything has been fully rearranged and customized based on my own choice. So I'm going to open up a file right here. So here we go. Now we have all our toolbar right here. So if you come to the top right here, so you find out that I have only my move tool right here. I have already exclude my artboard tool right here. So if I click on the other tool right here, you can see how I rearrange everything right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Photoshop software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.